Today we're showing you a 2016 New Holland T4.75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 300 hours, has 74 horsepower. It is like new. Paint is absolutely excellent. It's got the work lights on the cab, mirrors on the cab, Galaxy Radial tires which barely show any wear. It's got the skid steer style bucket connection for your bucket quick detach. 7-foot bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge. Also has the welded-on hooks in 3 spots on top of the bucket. Again, paint is excellent. Tires are excellent. Entry doors on both sides of the cab. Got the rear work lights and the rear wiper. Dual rear hydraulics back here. 540 PTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Also has the control linkage back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms, which really helps with attaching 3-point implements. Toolbox here on the side. Go ahead and show you the inside of the tractor as well. Still looks new in here, still smells new in here. It's got the tilt steering wheel, left-hand power reverser, allows you to change direction without clutching. Full air ride seat here for the operator. You can see there's still plastic on the seat. Also has the buddy seat here to the side. To the right, you've got your main control console. You've got four-wheel drive engagement, hydraulic controls, PTO engagement over here to the right, as well as your 3-point controls. Hand throttle right here within easy reach. It's got 3 ranges and park on the lever down here, plus 4 synchronized gears up top here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have your loader control right here within easy reach. On the cab post, you've got your climate controls, light switches and wiper switches, radio all the way up top. You got a monitor bracket there on the side. It does have the visibility roof in the cab, which obviously has the sun visor there as well. And again, the cab looks new, smells new. This tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.